Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about Quicken home business and rental property. In order to do so, here we are at quicken.com, and to find the answer to our question, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension to your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions at any time and get the answers you're looking for using some of the top AI models available. According to Cider, the first thing you're going to want to do is set up Quicken Home and Business. You're going to want to install and open Quicken Home and Business, create a new file or open an existing one. Quicken Home and Business combines personal, business, and rental property finances. You're going to want to add rental property to Quicken. Go to the Property and Depth tab, click Add a Property, select Rental Property, enter property names, details, name, address, type, purchase date, purchase price, down payment, mortgage details, and this creates a designated account for that rental property to track income and expenses. You're going to want to create a property income and expense account for each rental property to track money coming in and going out. Common categories include rental income, mortgage payment, repairs and maintenance, property taxes, insurance, utilities if paid by you, and you can assign these categories when entering transactions. For rental income, enter as deposit income for the rental income account. For expenses such as repairs, mortgage, etc., enter transactions with proper categories and attach receipts, invoices if needed. Quicken Home and Business allows separate tracking of personal, business, and rental transactions. Assign transactions properly to their correct category. Business versus rental property, so tax reporting is accurate. Go to Reports and Property and Debt. Useful reports include rental income and expense summary, profit and loss by property, tax schedule e-report. These help evaluate property profitability and prepare for taxes. Quicken Home and Business supports generating reports to match IRS forms such as Schedule E. Keep detailed categorized records to simplify tax time, and consider syncing with TurboTax for itemized deductions. Some tips: regularly download bank and credit card transactions to keep data up to date. Reconcile accounts monthly to ensure accuracy, and use reminders for rental payments and expenses. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.